Discuss prelims exclusive. In prelims, science and technology is very important component. In science and technology, NASA's recent missions, ISRO recent endeavors, missiles in India, including missiles manufactured by DRDO, etc. are the very important areas. In that, the first thing is from NASA. First mission is Windy mission. NASA's Windy mission studies about atmospheric disturbances in ionosphere. NASA's Windy mission studies about atmospheric disturbances in ionosphere. Ionosphere is very important for communications, radio communications, satellite communications, aeroplane communications. Any atmospheric disturbance in ionosphere will cause disruption to this communication. So, white color artificial clouds are created in the night by using trimethyl aluminum and lithium vapor, so that we can easily study the atmospheric disturbances by seeing the white color artificial clouds. NASA's Windy mission is experimented from Marshall Islands. It will use a sophisticated radar called Altair radar. It is a very important bit in prelims. Altair means APRA long range tracking and instrumentation radar. APRA long range tracking and instrumentation radar. This is Windy mission of NASA. InSight mission. NASA's new mission, InSight mission. It is a deep exploration of planet Mars. InSight mission is the deep exploration of planet Mars. NASA's first mission to explore deep interiors of Mars. InSight mission is a NASA's first mission to explore deep interiors of Mars. InSight means interior exploration using seismic investigation, geodesy and heat transport. Interior exploration using seismic investigation, geodesy and heat transport. GEODESY. Geodesy means mathematical calculation of Earth's size, Earth's length, etc. Here they will do mathematical calculation of Mars. This is NASA's first mission. This mission was launched by rocket Atlas V, the most powerful rocket. And this mission will also study the origin of solar system and the stars and other things. And this is the first interplanetary mission of NASA. And considering Mars like a baby, NASA is exploring in InSight mission a sonogram, completely understanding what is inside Mars. If at all there is a possibility of human life there, InSight mission might detect aquifers, water in the Mars. If water is detected, that means there is some form of life existed in the Mars. So let us hope that InSight mission will give new hope of life in the Mars. Next mission, JPSS mission, Joint Polar Satellite System mission. JPSS, Joint Polar Satellite System mission. This mission is a joint venture of NASA and National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA. This will forecast weather models, and also detect various disasters like blizzards, tornadoes, hurricanes, etc. Blizzards, tornadoes, hurricanes, etc. JPSS-2 is going to be launched in 2021, and this will help in understanding weather forecast. So it will make the country as a weather ready nation. JPSS mission will make the country as a weather ready nation. It will help in climate forecasting, climate monitoring, and providing accurate climate data, scientific climate data. This is JPSS mission, Joint Polar Satellite System mission. It has a speciality. From North Pole to South Pole and South Pole to North Pole, it can travel 2 times per day. It can travel 2 times per day. This is JPSS mission. Horizons. New Horizons is to investigate a mysterious object deep in the Kuiper belt known as MU69. Beyond Neptune, there are some new objects, and MU69 is a primitive and a very distinct object which will help us to know many mysteries in the universe. New Horizons have detected MU69. MU69 is an ancient object considered one of the early building blocks of the solar system. MU69. MU69 is located beyond Pluto. Here one should know about Kuiper belt. Kupier, Kuiper belt. Kuiper belt is a circumstellar disk in the outer solar system. Kuiper belt is a circumstellar disk in the outer solar system extending from the orbit of Neptune approximately 50 astronomical units from the Sun. Similar to asteroid belt, Kuiper belt is similar to asteroid belt but very bigger in size. While many asteroids are composed of rocks and metals, but Kuiper belt is composed of frozen volatiles. That is ices such as methane, ammonia and water. Kuiper belt is home for 3 officially recognized dwarf planets. Kuiper belt is known for 3 officially recognized dwarf planets: Pluto, Haumea, Makemake. Pluto, Haumea, Haumea, and Makemake, Make. And this Kuiper belt is also studied by Sophia of NASA. This is also very important bit for prelims. Sophia of NASA. Sophia is Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy. SOFIA. Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy. Sophia. Sophia is a flying telescope. Say 80:20 joint venture between NASA and DLR. DLR is a German space agency. And Airborne Observatory is a successor. Airborne Observatory is a successor to Kuiper. Airborne MU69 is nicknamed as Ultimate Thule. THULE. Thule means beyond the borders of known world. Thule means beyond the borders of known world. So OSIRIS-REx. NASA's OSIRIS-REx to study Bennu asteroid. It's a near-Earth asteroid. Bennu asteroid is a near-Earth asteroid. OSIRIS-REx collects samples from the asteroid and send back for collecting the scientific information. Bennu asteroid holds clues relating to the origin of solar system and life and source of water and organic molecules found on Earth. Bennu asteroid will give insights of initial stages of planet formation. OSIRIS-X will study Bennu asteroid so that it will detect how water and other minerals and other things are formed. And OSIRIS-Rex will send information, sample information, so that we will understand how various mechanisms are formed in the earth and in the system, in the universe. This is OSIRIS-Rex. TESS, NASA's TESS, Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, TESS, to detect new exoplanets. There are many exoplanets which are yet to be discovered. TESS is aiming to detect exoplanets. Surprisingly, this TESS is launched by a private spacecraft, Falcon 9, belongs to SpaceX. SpaceX is a private agency. The rocket, that is Falcon 9. TESS is launched by Falcon 9. Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite is a new planet hunting spacecraft on board of SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket to survey brightest stars near Earth. It will provide further characterization by James Webb Telescope. James Webb is also a very important question for prelims. NASA's Hubble telescope is going to become old. To replace Hubble telescope, the new telescope is coming, which is named as James Webb, JAMES space WEBB. This was a very important question for prelims. And the mission will study the exoplanets which block the light from the host stars. Actually, transiting means that transiting exoplanets, the study of transiting exoplanets which block the light from the stars. K2 mission. Scientists have confirmed discovery of 100 exoplanets. NASA's K2 mission. Scientists have confirmed the discovery of 100 exoplanets nearly outside solar system based on Kepler Space Telescope. With this, almost we have found 300 exoplanets so far. This is K2 mission. Zuma mission, ZUMA. It was a secret mission launched by SpaceX by Falcon 9 rocket, but the payload belongs to US government. The payload is secret. Zuma mission, the payload is secret. It belongs to US government. Next, SPRITES, SPRITES, SPRITES. World's smallest spacecrafts. SPRITES, world's smallest spacecrafts, dubbed as SPRITES, ever launched are successfully traveling in the low Earth orbit and communicating with systems on the Earth. They were orbiting in the low Earth orbit and communicating with the systems on the Earth. This is SPRITES. SPRITES symbolizes miniaturization of spacecrafts. SPRITES symbolizes miniaturization of spacecrafts. Next, DART mission, D-A-R-T, DART mission, Double Asteroid Redirection Test. DART means Double Asteroid Redirection Test. It is directed by NASA to Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory. DART mission is a first demonstration of kinetic impact technique. First demonstration of kinetic impact technique to change the motion of an asteroid in space. To change the motion of an asteroid in space. Kinetic impact technique to change the motion of asteroid in space. Sometimes asteroids come and hit the Earth. The scientists are now trying to redirect the asteroids so that they will not hit the Earth abruptly. This is NASA's DART mission. Orion is a deep space exploration mission. It is the first human mission. 4 crew went first crew flight of NASA Orion spacecraft. It is being built to help humanity to explore Mars and other distant destinations. To explore Mars and other distant explorations. And by 2021, Exploration Mission 2 is going to be launched under Orion mission. Exploration Mission 2 is going to be launched under Orion mission. Quest, QUESST, Quieter Supersonic Technology. NASA's Quest, Quieter Supersonic Technology. Earlier, there were aircrafts called Concorde. They are supersonic aircrafts, but they used to cause lot of sound disturbance. Now Quest is a return of these supersonic aircrafts, and now Quest will come with a reduced sound, because earlier Concorde aircrafts, which belonged to Britain, they were disbanded. Now Quest have come. Quest is experimental aircraft explained. Is a concept being developed by NASA and with partnership with Lockheed Martin. To control flight noises, sonic boom problem. Particularly it is called sonic boom problem. This is called Quest. Next, NICER, NICER, NASA's Neutron Star Interior Composition Explorer. NICER, NICER, Neutron Star Interior Composition Explorer. It provides high precision measurements. NICER provides high precision measurements of neutron stars and objects containing ultra dense matter. NICER provides high precision measurements of neutron stars and objects containing ultra dense matter. At the threshold of collapse into black holes. NICER is aimed to understand the nature of denser stable forms of matter located deep into the cores of neutron stars. NASA's CHESS mission, CHESS, very important for prelims. NASA's CHESS mission, to check out the space between stars. CHESS mission is to check out the space between stars. CHESS mission means Colorado High Resolution HLE Stellar Spectrography. Colorado High Resolution HLE Stellar Spectrography. Colorado High Resolution HLE Stellar Spectrography. This is CHESS mission to study the distance between the stars, to study the space between the stars. NASA's CHESS mission. It has a rocket. It has a sounding rocket that will fly on Black Brand 9. The rocket name is Black Brand 9. CHESS measures light filtering through the interstellar medium. CHESS measures the light filtering through interstellar medium to study the atoms and molecules within. Which provides crucial information for understanding the life cycle of stars, the space between the stars and atoms and molecules within, and to understand the life cycle of the stars. This is NASA's CHESS mission. NASA's CHESS, CHESS mission. Colorado High Resolution Spectrography mission. CHESS, CHESS mission. Next, ASPIRE mission. Very important again. NASA's ASPIRE mission. Advanced Parachute Inflation Research Experiment. ASPIRE. ASPIRE. It is a mission to Mars. ASPIRE mission is a mission to Mars. It carried Advanced Parachute Inflation Research Experiment from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. From NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. JUNO. It is to explore Jupiter. Jupiter is a gaseous planet. We all know that. Juno mission is to explore Jupiter. Next important topic. Gold and Icon mission. GOLD, Gold, and ICON, Icon mission of NASA. Both aim to explore ionosphere. Gold and Icon mission. Like Earth, space has weather. Except swirling winds and precipitation. And NASA's Gold and Icon missions both were to explore upper atmosphere, that is ionosphere, and to understand the important features in the ionosphere. Global scale observation of limbs and disk. Gold means global scale observation of limbs and disk. Icon, ICON, ionosphere connecting explorer. Icon, ionospheric connection explorer. Both wanted to explore ionosphere. Gold and Icon mission. This is NASA's Gold and Icon mission.